Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerhouse motherboards in the LGA 1700 category. On the left, we have the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX, and on the right, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic, the price. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX comes in at $259, while the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi steals the show with a slightly lower price tag of $249. It's not a huge difference, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Links to both products are in the description below. Now, let's talk sockets and compatibility. Both motherboards support the 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, but here's a twist. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX boasts the Intel LGA 1700 socket, while the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi goes the extra mile with support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5. Talk about future-proofing your rig. When it comes to power design, these motherboards mean business. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX flexes its muscles with a commanding twin 16+1+2 Phases Digital VRM Solution, accompanied by 78 power stages. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi brings the heat with its 16+1 DRM OS, ProCool sockets, military-grade TUF components, and DigiPlus VRM. These babies are ready to handle anything you throw at them. Nobody likes their motherboard getting hotter than a summer day in the desert, right? Well, fear not. Both the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi have got your back. The GIGABYTE board features M.2 Thermal Guard 3, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, PCIe ultra-durable armor, and a 6-layer PCB. On the other side, the ASUS TUF Gaming motherboard comes equipped with a VRM heatsink, PCH fanless heatsink, M2 heatsink, hybrid fan headers, and the Fan Expert for utility. Talk about keeping your system cool under pressure. Let's talk connectivity, shall we? The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX takes the lead with SMD PCIe 5.0, 4 PCIe 4.0 x4 M.2 slots, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C. But wait, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi fights back with Wi-Fi 6AX201 Intel i225V 2.5 gigabits LAN, TUF LANguard, Turbo LAN technology, and Thunderbolt 4 USB 4 support. It's a battle of the titans. Now let's dive into the unique features that make these motherboards stand out. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX introduces the EZ-Latch, a PCIe 5.0 EZ-Latch with a quick release and screwless design. Plus, it boasts fine-tuning features like RGB Fusion 2.0, support for addressable LED and RGB LED strips, Smart Fan 6, and even the ability to update the BIOS without installing CPU, memory, and GPU. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi brings PC DIY friendliness to the table with safe DIMM, PCIe 5.0 safe slot, QLED M2 Q-Latch, and a pre-mounted I/O shield. Who doesn't love immersive gaming audio, right? The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX offers a dynamic audio experience with its high-end audio capacitor and Audiophile WIMA capacitors. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi takes it up a notch with the Realtek S1200A codec, offering pristine audio quality and even ASUS AI noise-canceling mic technology. Say goodbye to annoying background noise during your gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi have battled it out in every category. Now, it's up to you to decide which motherboard suits your needs and budget. And there you have it, folks. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus WiFi have battled it out in every category. Now, it's up to you to decide which motherboard suits your needs and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information on these fantastic products. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons. Until next time, happy shopping.